morning, students. We will see a new point from section 2 kinetics. As in the previous lecture we have seen the enzyme kinetics, that means the Michaelis-Menten catalysis. In today's lecture we will continue with the previous lecture Michaelis-Menten catalysis, and then we will go further for the study of Lineweaver-Burke plots. So see, this is our heading, Lineweaver-Burke plot. So Lineweaver-Eddy Burke plots are different and Lineweaver-Burke plots are this type, which we will see now. The Lineweaver-Burke plot is a graphical representation of the Lineweaver-Burke equation of enzyme kinetics. And this equation was described by Hans Lineweaver and Dean Burke in 1934. That's why the heading is Lineweaver-Burke plot. Now, these plots are very useful for determination of important terms in enzyme kinetics, such as the Michaelis constant Km and the maximum rate constant Vmax, which we have seen in the previous lecture, Km and Vm. Before the wide availability of powerful computers and non-linear regression software, the intercept y or the y-intercept of such a graph is equivalent to the inverse of Vmax. The x graph is equivalent to the inverse of Vmax, and the x-intercept of the graph represents -1 upon Km. It also gives a quick visual impression of the different forms of enzyme inhibition. So, for enzyme inhibition, there are three types: competitive inhibition, uncompetitive inhibition, and the uncompetitive inhibition. So, the Lineweaver-Burke plots in terms of inhibitions we will see in the next lecture. In today's lecture we will only see the Lineweaver-Burke plots. Here Km and Vm we are going to find out. Before that we have the values of y, x, m and c, because the straight line equation is y is equal to mx plus c. Y means our term on the y-axis, x means term on the x-axis, that is the concentration, and m means slope and c means the intercept. So, equation which we have seen in the last lecture is here. In the Michaelis-Menten catalysis, we have derived an equation finally. That equation was V is equal to Vmax into concentration of substrate divided by Michaelis constant plus concentration of substrate. This is our equation, and we have taken a reciprocal of this equation as 1 upon V is equal to Km plus concentration of substrate at the top and divided by Vmax into substrate concentration. Now just divide the term separately by Vmax into substrate concentration. So Km upon Vmax into substrate concentration plus substrate concentration divided by Vmax upon substrate concentration. So substrate concentration into and substrate concentration, both terms get neglected and only the remaining term is Vmax. Therefore our equation is Km upon Vmax into concentration of substance plus 1 upon Vmax. And in the previous lecture we have seen Vmax is equal to K2 into concentration of E0 or K2 into concentration of ES. E0 is the initial concentration of the enzyme and ES is the bound concentration of enzyme in the complex. Now, in this equation V is the velocity constant, Vmax is the maximum rate, concentration of S means substrate concentration, Km means Michaelis constant. In previous lecture we have seen all these terms. Now the Lineweaver-Burke plot are drawn by drawing on the x-axis 1 upon reciprocal of a substrate concentration, and on the y-axis 1 upon V. So here see we have an equation. This term goes on y-axis. Next term Km upon Vm, this is the slope. 1 upon concentration of substrate is the x term, and the 1 upon Vmax is the intercept. So now we have all the points. So here is the diagram of Lineweaver-Burke plot. So in biochemistry, Lineweaver-Burke plot are also called as a double reciprocal plot, and this is a graphical representation of Lineweaver-Burke equation of enzyme kinetics, and this was described by Lineweaver and Burke in 1934. Now on the y-axis 1 upon V, on the x-axis 1 upon substrate concentration. The points starts from here, and this is the positive intercept 1 upon Vmax, and slope is Km upon Vmax. So here when we extrapolate this line on the x-axis, but here the x values are positive to the right side and negative to the left side. Therefore the point at which the line intersects the x-axis, this is the minus 1 upon Km, or the inverse of Michaelis constant. Then such a type of plot is observed in the Lineweaver-Burke plot. From this equation we will solve one example. So see, here is the problem based on Lineweaver-Burke plot. So problem is given here. The problem is based on Michaelis-Menten catalysis or the Lineweaver-Burke equation. So Michaelis-Menten catalysis is given because Km is going to calculate now, and the Lineweaver-Burke equation we know now. So the heading is either Michaelis-Menten catalysis or the Lineweaver-Burke equation based problem. So problem is the slope and intercept obtained from 1 upon rate against 1 upon substrate concentration of an enzyme catalyzed reaction are 300 and 2 into 10 raised to plus 5 respectively. Calculate the Michaelis-Menten constant of the enzyme in the reaction. So see, on the y-axis 1 upon rate, on the x-axis 1 upon substrate concentration, and they have given us slope 300 and the intercept is 2 into 10 raised to plus 5. Now just note down the data which is given to you. So when you are going to solve problems, so it will be stepwise. Initially you can note down data, then note down your formulae, and then put the values in the respective equation and finally calculate. So formula is the equation which we have seen here. This equation is 1 upon V is equal to Km upon Vmax into substrate concentration plus 1 upon Vmax. So same equation is taken here. 1 upon V0 is equal to Km upon K2 into concentration of E0 into concentration of substrate plus 1 upon K2 into concentration of E0. And we know the value of this term. K2 into concentration of E0 is equal to K2 into concentration of Es, which is equal to Vmax, because in the formation of product dP by dt is equal to, we have written K2 into concentration of Es, and this 100% enzyme is bound with substrate concentration, that means E0 is equal to Es. So K2 into E0 is equal to K2 into Es, and same term is known as maximum rate, that is Vmax. So just put instead of K2 into concentration of E0 Vmax. So equation is rewrite as 1 upon V0 is equal to Km upon Vmax into substrate concentration plus 1 upon Vmax. Now y is equal to mx plus c. This is the straight line equation. This is on y axis 1 upon V0. Then Km upon Vmax, that will be slope, and 1 upon Vmax is the intercept, and 1 upon substrate concentration, that is the term on the x-axis. Now we have all the values. Just keep in mind the plot will be like this: 1 upon V, 0 on the y-axis, 1 upon substrate concentration on x-axis, Km upon Vmax is the slope, and 1 upon Vmax will be intercept. So in the problem, the given values are: slope is equal to Km upon Vm is equal to 300, and intercept is given 1 upon Vmax is equal to 2 into 10 raised to plus 5. So just transfer this Vmax to the right side and this term to the left side. So Vmax is equal to 1 upon 2 into 10 raised to plus 5. So it will come 5 into 10 raised to minus 6. So this is the value of maximum rate constant. Now the slope is given Km upon Vm is equal to 300. So Km upon Vm is equal to 300. Just transfer this Vmax value to the right side, and we know the Vmax value. So just put this value here. Km is equal to 300 into 5 into 10 raised to minus 6, and do calculation. The answer will be Km is equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 3. So Km is the Michaelis constant. Lastly, we can write the answer as Michaelis-Menten constant Km is equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 3. So such a type of questions we are asked in the NET and SET exam. So just prepare the same type of questions and try to solve the problem also.